Hi. Today we're at the range with the Bear Creek Arsenal 50 Beowulf upper. I have it on my Bushmaster rifle lower. And today we're going to be shooting these here cast bullets. The mold was accurate mold number 50-400P that I had cut to 501. Here's the bullet right here. Cast, has a flat base, nice profile. And right now is going to be our first shots. We're going to take with this. We're just going to take some shots down there at that little tan piece of cardboard down there at 25 yards. I didn't sight it in or anything yet. So we're just going to give it a go, see how it functions, see if they fire. There was no real load data, so I kind of just made an educated guess at it. So here we have, I think 9 rounds fit in this 30 rounder. I did cut the mag in the front a little bit to get it to go. So let's get shooting. Like I said, it's just function. Maybe we will go down and see how it groups. But like I said, I didn't sight it in, but we'll see where it hits on the target. I don't expect too much, but let's give it a go. It went in there, that's good. Oh, jam up. Don't like that. Gotta watch that mag thing. Give it a go again. Another jam up. Here, let's switch mag. Got this one. They say these hex mags are for 50 Beowulf also. We'll see what happens. It's not liking that. Huh. Well, that sucks. Try it again. No, they're jamming. Well, I don't like that. Try 2 in there. I'm not happy. Well, they're firing. They don't want to feed. I think it's a mag issue. I might have to get a 50 Beowulf mag. But we'll try to get these ones off and see where we're at. No. Maybe we need to size them down a little bit. That thing is pummeled. Look at that. I was going real light on the crimp. It says don't over crimp them. Maybe they need crimped down a little bit more to be more reliable. Oh, well, that's it. That's what we got. Thanks for watching the video.